This is the instructions on the Jura ENA9 coffee machine. When you get started, you would need to fill up the water tank at the back up to the max level here. I've already pre-loaded that. Then what you need to do is add the coffee beans. That's probably about 2 cups, 3 cups worth. I've already loaded. This is the power on button. What we need to do first is put a cup underneath here and then press the power on button because it does a self-clean before it starts. Okay, so it's not requiring a self-clean today, that's fine. So normally it would require a self-clean and you put that and then it will come out. So now what we need to do is pop our cup underneath and we press this button here to get the coffee. This one here is for an extra boost if you like your coffee strong. That's 1 cup. We'll do the boost. And that's your cup of coffee. And then now we need to pop that back underneath because when we turn the machine off, it will do a self-clean. Okay, so now it's rinsed out the coffee. We just need to empty the tank. Should we be finished with it, we will pour that water away and we will lift out this tray here. This is all the empty used coffee, which we would throw in the bin. And you take the lid off this and empty all of this out as well. And then it's ready to go for another